Everything in life is an energy. We are also an energy.
Yes.
Energy is based on 5 elements, 5 तत्व, water, wind, fire, sky and earth. So let's understand भगवान क्या है. ब is भूमि, ग is गगन, sky, व is वायु, air, अ is अग्नि, fire and न is नीर, पानी. तो भगवान एक्चुअली कुदरत में है और कुदरत ही भगवान है.
India is kind of whole ecosystem
Absolutely.
for startup, right? So before they even start, what all things they need to take care of?
So whenever you're starting a new business, you need the names, date of births of the partners. हम उनका नाम स्टडी करते, उनका डेट ऑफ बर्थ स्टडी करते. Based on the date of birth, we give them the lucky numbers and the lucky colors. Those colors they will use in their logos.
You actually signed a petition and created a movement कि इंडिया को भारत बनाओ.
हिस्ट्री में when we study सोने की चिड़िया भारत, और अब इंडिया में हमारा क्या हाल हो रहा है. So then when I numerologically calculate INDIA totals to 12. 12 is a number which denotes sacrifice, suffering and anguish. Okay, उसमें बहुत गुस्सा है इस नंबर में.
You started your journey at the age when most of the women gives up. नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है एक सोच में, जहां एक सोच आपकी जिंदगी की डायरेक्शन बदल सकती है. आज का एपिसोड बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और थॉट प्रोवोकिंग होने वाला है, क्योंकि आपका नाम, आपकी बर्थ डेट, आपकी सिग्नेचर या फिर आपके घर का डायरेक्शन आपकी सक्सेस और डेस्टिनी को इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता है. क्या नंबर्स सिर्फ मैथमेटिक्स का हिस्सा है या लाइफ का हिडन जीपीएस? इन सवालों के जवाब देने के लिए हमारे साथ है एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी जिन्होंने न्यूमरोलॉजी और वास्तु को एक एकेडमिक डिसिप्लिन के रूप में एस्टैब्लिश किया है. पीएचडी गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, ऑथर, भारत भूषण अवार्डी, इंटरनेशनली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड न्यूमरो वास्तु एक्सपर्ट और वो महिला जिन्होंने भारत नाम के लिए एक नेशनल मूवमेंट शुरू किया था, और सिर्फ शुरू ही नहीं किया था, उसमें सक्सेसफुल भी बन गए. गेस व्हाट? भारत नाम इन्होंने ही दिया है. लेट्स वेलकम ऑन आवर काउच डॉक्टर बिंदु जी. एक सोच, वन आइडिया दैट चेंज्ड योर लाइफ. Namaste, Bindu ji.
Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you.
And it's a privilege today to have a guest who has done wonders in her vertical. So welcome to Ek Soch once again, ma'am.
Thank you ji again. Thank you.
So before even we deep dive, understand your journey, one thing that triggers, during a conversation to me, you started your journey at the age when most of the women gives up.
Absolutely.
What was your feeling?
So I have understood that every time in your life when you face any challenge, it's God's calling to pull you out, right?
Rightly said.
And women in their mid-40s, they definitely go through menopause,
Yeah.
gray hair, weight gain, belly doesn't go, and a time when we are not so attractive looking. Okay, we have an over-round. We Indian women especially have a roundish shape.
Yeah.
So somewhere we feel low on confidence. Somewhere we feel not so wanted because our children don't want us around all the time. Our husbands are busy with their routines. So we are an extra furniture in the house.
Very
And
right.
that's the time when you actually have to pick up. That time, वो समय दिया जाता है हर स्त्री को अपने आप को ढूंढे, अपना पहचान ढूंढे. Because yes, we are good mothers, good wives, good daughters, good
Yeah.
daughter-in-laws, good sisters, good sister-in-laws and everything. हम वो सब पैरामीटर्स कर चुके हैं, पर हम खुद अपनी पहचान नहीं ढूंढ पाते कि हम
Very
खुद क्या
rightly
हैं.
said. Yeah.
Okay, so sometimes when somebody used to ask me initially कि विदु आप क्या हो, तो I should say I'm a cook when the cook is not there. I'm the driver when the driver is not there. I'm the nurse when the children are unwell, है ना?
Correct.
And I'm the maid when the servant is not there. तो actually तो हम fill in the blanks ही हैं.
Yeah.
वो fill in the blanks में हम क्या अपने adjectives देते हैं, वो जिंदगी का रूट है.
Correct.
So finding yourself and identify. जिंदगी में every age is beautiful. But numerologically if I say 40s में हम अपने purpose of birth ढूंढते हैं. हम अपने चौथे चक्र को पार कर चुके हैं. मूलाधार. So the third one is all about your power. Then heart chakra. And we reach our throat. Throat is purpose of birth. तो हम actually क्यों पैदा हुए हैं? हम क्या करना चाहते हैं? हमने आगे क्या करना है? Comes to us in our mid-40s.
Yeah, it is coming to me because I'm nearing my 40s.
Okay.
And I always have this, visuals or thoughts that what is the purpose of my life. I keep questioning that.
Absolutely.
Maybe that's because I'm also nearing 40.
So 40s में हम जब अपना रास्ता ढूंढते हैं ना, किसी को सिंगिंग, किसी को म्यूजिक,
Correct.
किसी को आर्ट ड्राइंग, किसी को कुकिंग, यू कैन बी अ होम शेफ और यू कैन बी अ वंडरफुल रेस्टोरेंटर. तो हम अपना पर्पस ऑफ बर्थ ढूंढते हैं. मुझे शायद नंबर्स के थ्रू मिला. सो आई थिंक एवरीबडी इज गिफ्टेड.
Yeah.
ईच वन ऑफ अस इज गिफ्टेड. कुछ हमें दिया गया है जो अलग है सबसे, खाली वो पहचानना है. सो आई ऑलवेज से फाइंड योर पैशन and monetize your passion.
Yeah, your passion can eventually
Eventually be
bring
your business.
Yeah, absolutely.
Absolutely.
And very rightly said. Again, I was reading this book called Ikigai,
Okay.
and which itself states very clearly your passion should be your profession.
It is.
Then only you live your life
So
wonderfully.
absolutely, what I work is not work.
Absolutely.
I enjoy every single day. I enjoy my work.
It looks like, and your aura is also very
Thank you.
beautiful. So why Numeravastu? What triggered you during your 40s that you thought कि नहीं अब मुझे numbers के साथ ही खेलना है?
So I have a qualification way back in 1986 when I passed out from SNDT with interior designing. I happened to top the Bombay Pune University. I was very good in interiors and architecture. But unfortunately in our community बोलो या हमारे जो कुछ समय था, women were not super educated and they always wanted us ghargrasti, like they should get engaged and married and have children and have a matrimonial life. तो वो भी मेरे साथ हुआ. I mean, I got my results and the next month I got engaged and I was married and then I had my babies and life went on. तो जब समय मिला in the 40s, I realized that I was very incomplete because I was, if I had to introduce myself, I would say I'm Mrs. So-and-so, or I am mother of so-and-so, or I'm sister of so-and-so, or daughter of so-and-so.
Correct.
But खुद nothing.
मैं कौन हूँ?
Yeah. So that journey pulled me, And during that time, I had a very, very good meeting with Sri Ravi Shankar ji. We were about 15, 16 of us. We were sitting on a singular table. And उन्होंने सबसे एक दो हमको सबको 2 मिनट का समय दिया था, because they are always on a time bound. And when my turn came, he asked me, आपका नाम क्या है? So I said, बिंदु. तो इसे आप बिंदु को कैसे define करते हो? तो I very humbly said, बिंदु is a छोटी सी रेत का दाना, एक ड्रॉप इन दी ओशन. मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ. मैं तो वेरी हम्बली कि हम तो शून्य हैं, जीरो हैं, लाइक सो इस अगर वो शून्य को, अगर वो छोटे से रेत के दाने को, अगर वो ड्रॉप ऑफ ओशन को आप माथे की बिल्लिया बनाते हो, तो यू बिकम विश, you become somebody's vision, you become somebody's drishti, you become somebody's noor. You become a route and a way to not only enlightenment for yourself but also for others. Take your name very seriously. And trust me, that was my wake up
Turning point.
Yes, turning point. जिसको हम breakthrough बोलते हैं.
True.
So that made me, I said नहीं, मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ करना है. मैंने एक रेत का दाना नहीं बनना है. मैंने वो माथे की बिंदिया बननी है.
Exactly.
So that turned, and I think then it started. And always every journey, and I like to share this on the dais with any and everybody, every journey starts with education.
It does.
Knowledge.
Yep.
जितना नॉलेज आप ले सकते हो वो आपका अपना है. यू कैन शेयर योर नॉलेज और यू कैन कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ, वो आपकी चॉइस. बट नॉलेज इज द रूट एंड द पाथवे टू बिकमिंग पावरफुल, बिकमिंग सक्सेसफुल एंड बिकमिंग prosperous.
And rightly said that. I read this somewhere in one of the book that if you want to be a great teacher, if you want to be a master of any topic, you should start teaching it.
Yeah.
So within the process, you become master of that topic. So you rightly said that, knowledge is one of the best
base
thing and it's a base, right?
base of everything.
So when you started, I'm sure the journey wouldn't have been easy. Right? हर एक journey जो हम नई शुरुआत करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं hurdles आते हैं.
जी.
So I'm sure जब आपने शुरुआत की रहेगी आपको एक thought आया रहेगा. Who will be my client?
Okay.
So did you had any kind of thought or
honestly, Niraji, not who will be my client. That was not my agenda. My thing was, how do I step out of the house? So we come from a background where we are financially, physically, emotionally very, very high up the ladder.
Yeah.
सब कुछ है घर में, सब सुविधाएं, गाड़ी, ड्राइवर, you have your diamonds, you have everything. So then what is the need to work? And that is the question raised by my family members. कि तेरे को क्या जरूरत है काम करने की भाई? And the stigma of a woman working. doesn't take well for a man, because the impression
does.
giving is the woman is working or she's going out of the house to earn, means घर में समस्या है पैसे की. And it was very difficult convincing my setup.
Yeah, true.
So initial for 1.5 years, I actually did free of cost.
Wow.
I didn't charge anyone,
Wow.
because and you can say that was my practice sessions, or those were my
Absolutely.
basic readings. And post 1.5 years, when I actually took up or rented my first office, which was just a 70 square feet office in a mall, smallest office of the mall, but now today I have 3 offices in that mall. So of course you upgrade yourself. But kahin na kahin you will understand that everything is a journey. Like if a woman
is.
gets up and moves, वो ही उसके लिए बहुत बड़ा एक इम्तिहान है. And we go through these exams every time in our life. Time and again.
It
time
does.
and
I mean, journey is on.
Yeah.
You know, learning is also on.
on.
It's part and parcel of your experience, and
yeah.
it's very adventurous. Who would have thought that at the age of 40, I'm going to start my career. Not only start, but I'm excelling in my career. And having one office instead of one, I'm having three offices,
now,
right?
yeah.
So you have actually taken the the word from that person very seriously, and you worked upon it. Right? Not many women does that. आजकल औरतें सोचती है पर इतना जल्दी एक्टिवेट नहीं हो पाती, नहीं कर पाती है. Right? Where you started doing things which are kind of a movement. You
just a
created
movement,
big movement, right? One of the movement which I remember while talking to you over a phone, where you actually signed a petition and created a movement कि इंडिया को भारत बनाओ. What was the thought behind that? And you did it.
So in 2020, when we all were sitting home, not much to do, I used to write down. You know, I have this habit of writing. When I speak, I write. When I'm watching a movie, I write.
Wow.
Okay? When I'm listening to music, I write. कोई words मुझे हिला जाते हैं. मूवी 3 घंटे की जिंदगी अपनी वो मूवी को दे रही हूँ, तो कुछ तो सीख के निकलूं.
Absolutely.
So I always have a diary with me. And that's part of my nature. उस टाइम पे I used to always say, you know, हिस्ट्री में when we study सोने की चिड़िया भारत,
Yeah.
और अब इंडिया में हमारा क्या हाल हो रहा है. So then when I numerologically calculate INDIA totals to 12. 12 is a number which denotes sacrifice, suffering and anguish. Okay, उसमें बहुत गुस्सा है इस नंबर में. I'm not talking of date of birth, I'm talking of alphabetical calculations.
True.
And when I checked BRARAT, it is 15. 15 is a magician's number. तो immediately वो स्ट्राइक हुआ कि जब हमारा नाम भारत था, हमने इंडिया क्यों किया? Of course, it was done by the Britishers. So why won't we get it back? What can we do to get it back? Now, it cannot happen at a district level or the state level. It has to happen at a national level.
National level, yeah.
So I, at that time, am a big follower of BJP and a big follower of
Likewise.
Narendra Bhai Sahab. But I just felt, you know, that what if I write a letter? I had heard from some people that he actually replies and answers. Okay?
Very rightly said.
So I wrote one on my writing pad that this is me, this is what I do, this is my profession. And I wanted to do a rectification as a spelling correction of India to Bharat, not based on any political reasons, not based on any religious reasons, primarily because of numerology. Okay? And with good wishes, blessings, I posted it to Delhi Sarkar. And as luck would have it, in a couple of weeks, I think I got a reply that this has to be done. It has to be documented. It cannot happen on one person saying it, even if this is your profession. It was a good no. And of course, it came from Bharat Sarkar, the letter. So that I had that, the murti of, you know, Trimurti जो है, उसके ऊपर थी. And आपको ये जो भी करना है ना, आपको, you will have to apply to so-and-so email at so-and-so address, and it has to come from the Supreme Court. So then I mentioned that to the Supreme Court. I texted, I wrote down, and I said that took a couple of more months for it to reply, but the reply did come. And they said the procedure है. The procedure is that you have to have 1 lakh signatures.
Oh.
If you do 1 lakh signature, एक petition form करो, petition sign होना चाहिए. Of course, one person cannot direct 2 petitions. Like you can't cheat and do like saying you can do.
Of course.
So you have a list and all. Once you cross 1 lakh, we will take a chance and we will see if it has to be done. So I said, why not? So मेरे इतने सारे clients थे and इतने सारे numbers थे. I posted it to everybody. I think we had so much of time during COVID.
Yes.
And people signed, and people really thought about it. I should always tell them, don't do it because I'm saying so, but feel it.
Feel it.
So if you want to feel it now, we can feel it now.
I
Do you
would
want to?
love to. I would
Okay.
love to.
So if you can put your hand on your chest, on your heart, and just say India 3 times. Okay? India,
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 India.
India,
Now with your eyes closed, say Bharat 3 times. Bharat,
Bharat,
Bharat, Bharat. किसकी वाइब्रेशंस लगी आपको?
Bharat.
सेम कंट्री, नो?
Yeah.
So I would tell my people, do this for you believing it. Don't do it because I'm saying so. And yes, I did get those 1 lakh plus signatures. We posted it, sent it. It went across. And then again a letter came back saying it will take 2 to 3 years because this is the correction of a country.
Yeah.
It's not of a state or a town.
Correct.
So one day I was just watching TV. It was in 2020. I think it was the 20th of December 2023. End of December tha. And we had our Narendra Modi ji talking on the mic and saying कि हम भारतीय हैं, हम भारतवासी हैं और हमारा देश भारत है. And on the plane it was written in Hindi, Bharat.
Bharat.
Otherwise, it was always written India. And I saw that and I just got up and I started screaming.
my
I said, oh my
God.
God, this has happened. He said, what happened? What happened? I said, you don't know. I've been waiting for this thing. It took 3 years, agreed. But
True.
it did happen.
It did.
So I'm not saying that the credit goes. I was just the one to initiate it, start it. And there are a lot of
Absolutely.
people who believe in it. There are a lot of people who wanted it. है ना?
True.
जरूरी नहीं कि एक जन को, one person cannot get the credit.
No, no, not at
But
all.
you need someone to start.
Start.
So एक सोच से ही शुरू होता है.
Exactly.
एक छोटी सी, little addition or a little moving a hand forward. एक thought, the
Absolutely.
thought becomes a feel, the feel becomes your word
Yeah.
becomes your action. तो एक
Absolutely.
छोटे से thought से शुरू हुआ था that ये चीज तो करना है यार, इतना तो करना है,
और आपने कर लिया.
और हो गया. And
Yeah.
I think God is great and very, very
And I guess
kind.
everyone is here for a purpose.
Agreed.
Right? And that's how your destiny or your work that you're doing is absolutely planned, I believe. Right? And you're on a purpose and you've made and changed a lot of people's life. A big people's life. So when we were talking about Bisleri, right?
Yeah.
We were talking about the mall, which was not running so well. And after the name change, it started working really well. Previously, I never used to believe in numerology, right? Numbers se kya hi hoga? And not only me, like, as
Other
an
people.
individual, as a consumer,
Absolutely.
as a viewer, a lot of people think about it. Ki yaar, number se kya hi hoga? I really want you to share some insights on that.
So let me first tell you what is numerology. न्यूमरोलॉजी को हम हिंदी में अंक शास्त्र बोलते हैं. ये एक पार्ट ऑफ एस्ट्रोलॉजी और ये ऋग्वेदा से आ रहा है. इट इज हाईलाइटेड इन द मास मीडिया एंड कम्युनिकेशन एज. हम उस एज में हैं जहाँ पे वी कैन नॉट वर्क विदाउट अ मोबाइल्स,
Yeah.
अ कैलकुलेटर, अ लैपटॉप और अ कंप्यूटर, है ना? तो ये मास मीडिया की एज है.
Correct.
इन दिस एज नंबर्स वर्क्स ब्रिलियंटली. ओके, तो जिंदगी एक्चुअली एक अंक है. लाइफ इज ऑल अबाउट नंबर्स फ्रॉम द टाइम यू बोर्न टू द डेट यू बोर्न. योर हाइट, वेट, फिगर, योर पल्स रेट, हार्ट बीट, ब्लड प्रेशर, बॉडी टेम्परेचर, कार, ट्रेन, प्लेन इज अ नंबर, शू साइज इज अ नंबर, चश्मे का नंबर है.
Oh my God.
हम गणित में हैं और हमारा नंबर क्या है? हमारा नंबर एक डेट ऑफ बर्थ है. आवर डेट ऑफ बर्थ इज आवर नंबर.
Yeah.
और यही गणित में वी आर स्टक. Means this is our personal GPS.
Yeah.
What works for us, how it works for us, what are lucky numbers, lucky colors, lucky directions.
Correct. Yeah.
हमें कौन सी रिंग पहननी चाहिए, हमारी कौन सी दिशा है, हमारा क्या बिजनेस होना चाहिए, हमारे हेल्थ क्या है, हमारे पार्टनरशिप क्या है, पर्सनल और बिजनेस, एवरीथिंग इज रिटन इन आवर डेट ऑफ बर्थ. हम उसे डिकोड करते हैं. डिकोडिंग ऑफ दैट इज न्यूमरोलॉजी.
And it actually works.
It works because it's a maths, it's a science. So maths is the only subject you can get full marks, so you get across. It's not
Correct.
in between.
Correct.
Astrology क्या है? Astrology is चंद्रमा, तिथि और नक्षत्र. Astrology is predictions.
Correct.
कि आपके हिसाब से ये राहु यहाँ बैठा, केतु यहाँ बैठा है, या शनि ये कर रहा है, और समथिंग. न्यूमरोलॉजी क्या है? नंबर्स है, अंक
Yeah.
है.
Yeah.
So it is your date of birth. Your first is your combined name, that is compound, single number or double number.
True.
Destiny number is the total of birth, month and year. फिर आपका राशि का नंबर होता है. तो all these numbers play importance in your life.
True.
And decoding that and coming to the right way, क्योंकि हर एक का एक लकी नंबर है, एक लकी कलर है,
True.
एक लकी डायरेक्शन है. तो आपको अगर आपका मैथ्स मालूम है You can work on your formula. ये आपका GPS है. And everybody has an independent individual GPS. Even twins होंगे ना, तो twins के भी जो होगा ना, फिर समय के हिसाब से हम लेते हैं.
Okay.
And triplets भी हैं, those same date. But they will have different timings.
Yeah.
तो टाइम को हम लोग वेरिफिकेशन कहते हैं. We verify that by 3 different timings.
Okay.
So that's how we break it up and say ये आपका लकी नंबर है, ये आपका कलर है, आपको ये करना चाहिए, आपको ये करना चाहिए. जैसे everybody cannot make money in share market.
Yeah.
We have people who lose money.
Yeah.
Everybody cannot make money in construction. कईयों के तो business अटक गए हैं या houses अटक गए हैं या money is stuck. And some people have made so much money.
Yeah.
So partnership किसी के लिए फलता है, किसी के लिए independent अकेला काम करना है, किसी के लिए pharmaceuticals अच्छा है, किसी के लिए medicals है, किसी के लिए beauty and art है, किसी को talent के हिसाब से है, किसी को दिल से काम करना है, you know.
Correct.
So you are working in a musician.
Yeah.
Sometimes किसी को जुनून से काम करना. So we have sports people working with that. किसी को patriotism. That is why we have so many people on our Army, Navy and Air Force, है ना?
Yeah.
And some people like us, they work on intuition.
True.
So what your intuition tells you, you
Yes.
should do that.
Yes.
तो आपका क्या है ना, you should know. And if somebody guides you on that, है ना?
You can definitely
कितने लोग जबान से खाते हैं.
Correct.
Person like you, you're into podcasting, you're earning from the gift of the gap. You're talking.
True.
है ना?
Absolutely.
तो आपको अगर वो लाइन मिल जाए, you'll do what best.
I guess everyone needs that, push or maybe that guidance.
Yes.
Without
Agree.
guidance, I guess you will be able to achieve, but not quickly or maybe sometimes never, right? Instead of struggling every single day,
True.
the way you said, Nirali, why don't you have K in your name? That was your,
Immediate
without even
suggestion.
me telling you anything, you told me what actually I want, right? Your intuition, which really work in Rally, आपको leaders चाहिए आपके dice पे.
Correct.
Right? So I guess it's very important that, expertise like you, who can guide people in a way, कि जहाँ पे उनको benefit भी हो, at the same point of time, they are finding their route.
True.
And I'm sure you have done a lot of work. Would you like to share some or one or two examples?
Will I share one builders? I will share one with service. So I have a very, I can't take his name. Maybe how I can actually. There's no harm. Amitabh Chaturvedi of Z. He was Mr. Sir was working with Reliance for 16 years, and then he started his own bank finance sector. So he came to me at a time when 3 of his offices had shut down. Huge offices, 3,000 plus square feet offices. And he said कि मैं जितनी बारी north east या north east direction का office ले रहा हूँ. I don't know what, but I am making mistakes. Our business is coming down and something. So I said, sir, give me a date of birth. So his date of birth is 8 and ending in 9. So his birth number is 8 and his destiny number is 9. So I told him, sir, आपको सिर्फ साउथ वेस्ट या साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में. कहते आज तक मुझे कोई वास्तु वाला नहीं बोला. I said, I know and I'm standing here. Of course, I'm not going to charge you anything. But for heaven's sake, please do this and see the benefit. So he says, no, I don't think so. I can take such a big risk. So I said, how many years you were there earlier? So he was with Reliance for 16 years. I said, will you do me a small favor? Will you go back to that office and check उसकी दिशा क्या थी? है ना, जहाँ पे आपने 16 years रहे थे, आपकी ऑफिस, आपका कैबिन कौन सी जगह था, आपकी उसकी एंट्रेंस एग्जिट क्या थी? He actually did that. It was the south entry and he was sitting in the southwest. And then he took at the Worli, he took one office, then a second and third. Today he has 16 offices.
Wow.
And he goes exclusively to south and west. Now, how does this come in? This is, of course, again and again having faith and belief, and it comes and it is proved for him.
Yeah.
So you have to choose your direction as per your date of birth.
True.
Now, Vastu Shastra says कि north बहुत अच्छा है, north is supreme है, east बहुत अच्छा है.
Yeah.
तो बाकी की जो दिशाएं हैं उनका क्या होगा? But if your date of birth matches that, it will help. So this is one very important thing. Then I had also had an experience of 81 Auret at, when you come from Sea Link, you have this building which has got 81 flats called 81 Auret by H.J. Shah.
Yeah.
So unfortunately in 2020, एक भी flat उनका बिका नहीं था. There was a huge ring. They had a southwest entry and there was a masjid next door, which had a graveyard. So apparently he said, I have to sell. So I said, see, before I enter and do anything, I want to block the energies. So I want you to we give a copper putty by cutting the two territories. So we put in a divider. And once that divider I told you have to wait for 1 week. After 1 week, you will see some changes. True to the word, after 1 week, he got the first flat got sold, which was purchased by Arjun Kapoor.
Wow.
Yeah. And he got faith. So he said, abhi to aap idhar kuch vastu please karo. So we did the ground level, we did 2 basement and we did the first floor.
Wow.
There 5 flats of his went. One of them happened to be Malaika Arora.
Wow.
Okay. After that he said, Bindu ji, aap 81 के 81 flats कीजिए, मेरे को सब बेचने हैं.
Oh my God.
So that is like a standing monument, where you can say, when you come from the ceiling, you can get to see that. वो building एक landmark by itself.
Wow.
So numerology and Vastu ki connection. We did some spelling correction. We did some entrance exits. We did some putting of some crystals and some helix and metals and pyramids and all in the entire thing. And we made the whole energy change.
Wow, that's commendable. I mean, it's so powerful that with
It is.
this two combination, you can do wonders.
Wonders, yeah.
In your field. So, firstly, I never used to understand what is Vastu and what is numerology because both have their own,
Absolutely,
own
identities,
flavors and own identities. But this combination, right, it's very real, right? With the examples that you shared, right? I guess after lockdown, a lot of things might have changed, right? People started learning Vastu, people started learning numerology. There are so many people around you who talks about Vastu, who talks about numerology. A lot of reels are getting viral.
Absolutely, yeah.
But those reels which are getting viral have a very generic information. Do you have some say on that?
Of course. There is always something that is going to be your personal identity. It cannot be generic. So, हमने समझा कि पहले तो न्यूमरोलॉजी क्या है. पहले हम समझते हैं कि वास्तु क्या है.
Yeah.
So, वास्तु means वास करना, रहना. It's an energy. Everything in life is an energy. We are also an energy.
Yes.
मॉर्निंग की एनर्जी अलग है, दोपहर की एनर्जी है, रात की एनर्जी अलग.
True.
Like this cabin has an energy, this office has an energy, this building has an energy.
Absolutely.
So every energy is there. Energy is based on 5 elements, 5 तत्व, water, wind, fire, sky and earth.
Yeah.
तो समझना चाहिए कि पहले ये कहाँ से आते हैं. तो अगर हम परमात्मा में मानते हैं, हम भगवान में मानते हैं, तो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड भगवान क्या है. ब इज भूमि, okay? भूमि इज अर्थ, ग इज गगन, स्काई, व इज वायु, एयर, अ इज अग्नि, फायर एंड न इज नीर, पानी. तो भ ग व न आर द 5 एलिमेंट्स ऑफ. तो भगवान एक्चुअली कुदरत में है और कुदरत ही भगवान है.
True.
ओके. मंदिर मीन्स मन के अंदर.
Yeah.
हम उठा के भगवान जी को मंदिरों में ले जाते हैं, प्राण प्रतिष्ठा करते हैं.
True.
But by and large, if you understand, there are different types of Vastu. So till 2022, I think 2021 or 22, India performed with 7 main Vastu. One is Astro Vastu, which is a combination of astrology and
Yeah.
Vastu. Second is what you call as your crystal Vastu, जिसमें crystals use करते हैं under the ground. Even a chandelier is crystal Vastu. Then is Ratna Adhyay. Ratna Adhyay means gemstones Vastu.
Okay.
Then you have Paira Vastu, there is pyramid Vastu. Then you have your Feng Shui Vastu, which is the Chinese and the popular method.
True.
Then you have your color Vastu. And then you have your typically जो हम बोलते हैं Vedic Vastu, यंत्र मंत्र पूजा विधि हवन.
Yeah.
ये 7 types of Vastu India perform करती है. And then I had my thesis which became my PhD and that became the Numero Vastu. So Numero Vastu is name, number.
Yeah.
House number, office number, carpet area, built up area, super built up area, day, date, सब आता है ना. गणित जहाँ पे नंबर्स आते हैं वहां पर आते हैं सब कुछ. So उसके आधार पे I had my thesis compiled and that's when I got my PhD and that's when I got the Bharat Bhushan Award from the President of India.
Wow.
Based on this science कि भाई ये न्यू वर्टिकल है और इसको समझना ज्यादा आसान है. Today an astrologer, it's easy, they understand, but people don't understand astrology.
Yeah.
They don't understand साढ़े सत्य. They don't understand कि शनि का प्रभाव क्या है. They don't understand राहु केतु क्या कर रहा है.
True.
But numbers they will understand. They understand the number 1 to 9 numbers, main numbers, they all understand. So that is becoming comparatively easier
Yeah.
to, get into the whole science of numbers that way.
True.
So this way we tried to do it and we blended this and this worked wonders. It worked very well and people follow it very easily.
Very
I have a lot of youth, younger children 20s 30s में जो बहुत फन मतलब they really follow it to the T.
Is
Yeah.
it?
More than the seniors, I have the youngsters coming to me.
Wow, that's amazing.
Mm.
Now that's why I'm saying that, after lockdown, people started believing a lot.
Correct.
And I guess you are the first one who started this numero vastu combination, and it is doing wonders, really wonders. And a lot of things, people are.
Nirali ho sakta hai, somebody has done, but they have not compiled and they have not done PhD.
Okay.
Until you don't record it, until you
Yeah.
don't document it, until you don't get certified, there's no proof.
Yeah, there is a proof. Correct.
So that way, when I got in, and that's when it took, generally it takes 3 months for us to verify a PhD, because now I'm verifying, I signed and sanctioned PhDs of others. तो अब जब हमने किया था 2019 की बात है, तो it took them 1.5 years because my PhD was rotating. Delhi,
wow.
Chennai, Indore, बहुत सारे universities हैं. And I got my answer after 1.5 years, and that too they said कि you're the first one. Nobody has done this sort of a calculation and explanation and what you have done in your thesis. So that, on basis of that, I was awarded, and then the story began of how the journey starts. Yeah.
So talking only about numerology,
Ji.
I changed my name from
Ji.
NIRALI to NIRALE. Because one of the experts told me that, if you changed and have that combination of Nirali Pandey as number one,
Okay.
it will bring a lot of, fame to you.
Absolutely.
I did change. I did change. But having said that, I really want to understand that, does your signature also create a lot of impact?
Absolutely. Okay. So first, if I take the name, there is a part of numerology which is a name number.
Yeah.
Each name has a meaning. Okay. So we should have meaningful names.
Yeah.
Each name has alphabets.
Yeah.
And each alphabet has a frequency, it has an explanation, and yet it has a numerology or a calculation. तो वो गणित जो आता है ना, वो favorable और non favorable होता है. So it could be at a good total and at an average total or at a negative total. So we
Correct.
can alter. This science we can alter. Like date of birth we cannot alter.
We cannot, yeah.
है ना?
True.
तो my Bindu has a double I. It's BIINDU, and Khurana has a double A. KHURAANA.
Correct.
हाँ, तो my total was 40, which became 42, a number of wealth.
Yeah.
So हमने अपने नाम से पहले शुरू किया. I saw the corrections in myself. Then I did for my children. Then I started with the family and the clients and so on and so on. So now, I don't know, last when they were doing the checking in my laptop, we've crossed 6 lakh people
Wow.
in the last 18 years. जो भी हमारे पास records रहे हैं.
Wow.
So understanding कि people do follow it, they understand
They
it, they will make a thing. So if you have changed Niralika, you are the best answer कि पहले क्या था, before and after. You can do it. Works. Yeah.
It really worked. I was not so much in favor of it, though my husband is always very much in favor of Nirali, ye karna hai, wo karna hai. And I did it for him, basically. Like, and I found that it actually started giving me fame that I was,
Looking.
I was looking for. And then I started believing. ऐसे कई सारे लोग हैं हमारे इंडिया में जो आज के डेट में भी इतना बिलीव नहीं करते हैं, right?
Because people want proof.
Yeah, they
I mean,
want
it is
like that. And
yeah,
also I feel that, they don't have that patience also. After changing, उनको लगता है कि रातों रात कोई अमीर हो जाएगा या रातों रात चीजें बदल जाएगी.
नहीं, but एक समय लगता है, which is 21 दिन.
21
It's a
days.
21 day cycle, and you have to practice 108 times for 7 days.
Oh.
These are rules, these are mandatory. तो जब मैंने भी change किया, अपना किया, तो I have done this signature and I have done the name corrections.
So it should be entirely changed.
Absolutely.
Like, right
Yeah,
from your
proper.
name to your signature,
Yeah, everything. So in your bank, in your PAN card, in your Aadhaar card, in your driving license, and in your passport.
Everywhere it should be changed. Otherwise
Ideally,
it won't
ideally,
give
yeah.
that kind of impact.
Otherwise, some people are at a post and some people cannot do for whatever reasons. And we tell them social media. और अगर चाहिए तो आप अपने visiting card stationery में कर दो. At least start.
Yeah.
Do the basics at least, and then maybe follow once everything is done.
Wow.
And passport you can do when you're renewing it. So हम wait कर सकते हैं.
So say for example, if someone's business is sinking,
जी.
what he or she can do during that point of time.
So there are 2-3 ways in which we do. If it is something like a trading or it's a consulting, we do numerology. If it is a factory or it's a showroom or it's an office, it's a proper product base, then we definitely touch Vastu. Okay. So first we take with a name. कोई भी जगह के हम नाम से शुरू करते हैं तो कंपनी नेम. Now company names to rectify are very tough. So we add an alphabet, subtract an alphabet.
Okay.
So if you take a close look, the Free Press Journal, which is actually a newspaper, has a double R in the Free Press Journal.
Yeah.
Okay, take a look at that. And we do it very beautifully, creatively, कि पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि हमने कोई numerological correction किया. Okay, so the Anil Ambani group, which was sinking, you know the whole story. I don't need to say. Before his brother purchased that factory, the entire business, I had happened to do a correction. We removed the A and put an A in the mountain form, and in the center put a small red color triangle. So that was done. If you take a look at the Bisleri came to me in 2019 when they were celebrating the 50th year. And they said, we cannot rectify color, no alphabet change, no font change. आपको क्या कर सकते? So if you notice, we tilted it. This is like you are working well. And if you put it up, it is prosperity.
Yeah.
So we tilted it and I've added a small R. R stands for registration, but R is always at the top of the alphabet.
yeah,
हमने इसको
yeah.
down लगाया है to continue in the form.
I have Bisleri.
Please do that.
Let's
take a close look and see it, how it
let's
is.
take a close look and
this is in 2019 we've done it.
yeah.
So and they sold their company at what an exorbitant price now. So this is going upwards, tilting upwards.
Yeah,
And
I've
there's an
noticed this
R.
today. Oh my god.
There's an R, small tiny R next to the I.
Yeah, I'm watching this today that you know it's little tilted.
So numerological
yeah.
correction किया हुआ है. That's what we do for a lot of companies. I have a list of the companies. Some are personal, some are smaller, some are corporates where we work completely.
It's brilliant. Just by tilting this name, I mean, it was doing wonders. I mean, though when they started
No,
also.
they came down in business not because their product was this, but because they had too much of competition.
Too much of competition.
That is the reason. So they said, okay, how do we cope up in this market like that?
Yeah.
So I work with venture capitalists. Now what they do is they invest the money in the particular business. किसी का business होता है, they study it. Then that comes to me to study it. I study their numerological, their logos, I study their shape, I study their font, and I give them rectifications. Because see, they have to personally do well, plus these people are adding money, they're putting in money.
Yeah.
So obviously this has to grow. They will grow, and then the entire team grows, and then the entire thing comes up.
This triggers with one question in my mind. A lot of startup is
Startups,
coming up because India is kind of whole ecosystem for
Absolutely.
startup, right? So before they even start, what all things they need to take care of?
So whenever you're starting a new business, you need the names, date of births of the partners.
Yeah.
So suppose if there are 2 or 3 partners, हम उनका नाम study करते, उनका date of birth study करते. Based on the date of birth, we give them the lucky numbers and the lucky colors. Those colors they will use in their logos. Those numbers they will choose their company name. So suppose if somebody has a lucky number of 1 and they've chosen a company name which totals to 9, I will tell them add an alphabet and bring it to 10 over. ताकि आपके वो combination से बराबर हो. Or suppose lucky number of somebody's is 9, then I will say reduce it or increase it to whatever it is we give them. Sometimes instead of private limited we add PVT LTD. Sometimes we write PLIMITED.
Yeah.
और LLP होता है. तो वो सब हम additions करते हैं.
Okay.
And then we place them and tell them. Then there is a visiting card format. Then there's a letterhead format. There's an envelope format. And then there's a list of how the do's and don'ts for a logo designing. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, logo का काम है कहना.
Yeah.
The logo speaks.
It
The
does,
logo
it
tells
does.
about your business. So we give them this format. Then they create it, or we have, of course, people, designers in my team who will design and give it to the client.
Wow.
And then we work on that and we give them a full format. Okay, this is the business, this. Then what is your shell? Like suppose you and me are doing a business and your lucky number is 1 minus 5. So probably I would take a 50%.
Yeah.
And you will take a 46%, and then we will divide it. You will take your numbers, I will take my numbers, and we divide it equally.
Okay.
So
Lovely.
we give them on numbers, then we give them the directions. तो ठीक है, आपका ये ऑफिस है, आपका लकी डायरेक्शन ईस्ट है, तो आपका कैबिन ईस्ट में होना चाहिए. मेरा लकी डायरेक्शन में, मैं वेस्ट में हूँ, तो मुझे वेस्ट में बैठना है. तो we place them accordingly also.
Wow.
So everything is taken into consideration right from the start to the ribbon cutting.
Wow.
That whole thing.
Any startup that you have worked
Plenty. I mean, where do I start with? Too many. There's a list of it.
Wow.
I can send you the list if you want, and you can definitely.
I'm
lots
just
of
out of
startups.
curiosity because I know this India. I mean, Indian market
Yes.
is all about startups. Lot of startups have failed. I'm sure because of
multiple
reasons. But I like the fact that अगर starting से आप सारी चीजों को
कैलकुलेशन ही करें.
because
हाँ, सही
your
बात.
end of the day what you look after is your profit. That is all calculation. It's
Absolutely.
finance. It's
Yes,
numbers,
yes.
right? So from day one, if you start with the numbers, though I have not started with, but after this conversation, I really want to make sure that I come to you, sit with you, and understand about all this thing, because I believe कि ये सारी चीजों से भी काफी सारे बदलाव आ सकते हैं.
जी जी.
If you want to create wonders, जो चीजें आपको अटका देती है या फिर वो लो फेस पे लेके जाती है, maybe with this calculation you are through.
Yeah, actually it is.
Right? It
the-
can
the
bring a
truth,
lot of
yeah.
wealth to you, not only wealth, fame, whatever you want to
Yeah.
do.
No, see, you're working hard. You're putting your right foot forward. मतलब अच्छा कर रहे हो, आपने वास्तु भी अच्छा कर लिया है, आपने प्लेसमेंट्स डायरेक्शंस कर लिए हैं, आपने अपनी टीम स्ट्रांग बना ली है, एवरीबडी इज कमिटेड. देन समटाइम्स इट्स अ मिस. क्या चीज है मिस? वो है गणित, numbers.
Yeah.
So get that in order to get, like I always say, that destiny, सब बोलते हैं मेरी किस्मत में होगा तो होगा, मेरी किस्मत में नहीं था भैया. वो ऐसा नहीं होता. You should first understand किस्मत क्या है, डेस्टिनी क्या है, because a lot of people ask us, नहीं मेरी किस्मत में है ही नहीं. लेकिन नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. Understand. So किस्मत, let me explain to you in numbers. 33% is what you're born with. Like you're born to so and so parents, you're married to so and so, you have so and so children. वो हमारे हाथ में नहीं है. वो कोई पूर्व जन्म वहां से आ रहा है, कोई कर्मों के कारण से आ रहा है, बट दैट इज ऑलवेज प्रीडिस्टाइन्ड. 33% इज गॉड्स वे. उसके बगैर पत्ता नहीं हिलता. तो उसकी परमिशन ग्रांट है. वो हमेशा तथास्तु बोलेगा. आप सही करोगे या गलत करोगे, ही विल से गो लाइक दैट, तथास्तु. एंड द 33% इज आवर्स मीन्स आवर चॉइसेस, आवर कमिटमेंट, आवर हार्ड वर्क, आवर इनपुट, आवर डिसीजंस. ये हमारे पास सिर्फ 33% है. तो सपोज इफ योर किस्मत इज गुड and God is saying tathastu and you are doing good things, तो तुम 99% पे बैठे. Suppose your kismat is bad for whatever reason. Suppose you are born blind. Okay? And God blesses you. You say, ठीक है मैं blind हूँ, but I will put in my best efforts. I will study Braille. I will do something. तो 33% से आप 66% पे बैठे. Correct? But अगर हम 66 या 99 पे हैं, 99 is not 100. हमारी साइंस इज 1% है. ओनली 1%. निराली, चाहे तुम कुछ भी बोलो, 1% ही है. 1% सेंचुरी इज मेड एट 100. 99 पर तो बहुत प्लेयर्स आउट हो गए और उसको लोग भूल भी जाते हैं.
ट्रू, वेरी राइटली सेड.
सेंचुरी तब होती है जब आपको एक्स्ट्रा पुश मिलता है. उसको तुम गुड लक बोलो, उसको न्यूमरोलॉजी बोलो, उसको कोई अकल्ट साइंस बोलो, आप किसी की ब्लेसिंग्स बोलो, व्हाटएवर वर्ड यू वांट टू यूज.
ट्रू,
बट you should.
It doesn't.
Yes, it does.
And at beginning of starting, before we even started, you told me कि निराली तुमको 100% चाहिए. Right?
Correct.
I guess that is very important. 100% is something that everyone should look after. Now, when we had a conversation regarding teams, now this triggers me a lot.
हाँ जी.
Maximum businesses में सबसे ज्यादा problems teams को रखना है. Right? How? What are the role of numbers over there?
Yeah, so what we do is, when I'm taking a corporate world, like whether there are 50 players in that, I mean, there are 100 or there are whatever, we study them. So your base should be on जिसको हम बोलते हैं त्रिकोण. Okay, so there is one leader or there is one boss, or you can say he is a CEO. Okay, उसके नीचे तुम्हारे 2 या 3 फर्स्ट हैंड है, फिर 2-3 सेकंड हैंड है. तो you should have your pyramid ready.
Correct.
Everybody cannot do everything.
They cannot.
है ना? You have to delegate.
Yeah.
So what we do is we choose your date of birth. Like if somebody is a 1 number, we give them a administration role. If somebody is a 9 number, we give them a power role. If somebody is a 5 number, we give them a CA or accountant role. If somebody is a 3 number, we give them marketing role. Okay? और बच के 6 नंबर वाले लोग, there's a finance, wealth के numbers हैं. Plus we have somebody who's a number 7 number, वो लोग घूम के काम करते हैं. They never sit in one place. तो we place them. It's basically क्या है ना, जिंदगी भी एक चेस है. कभी प्यादा यूज करते हैं, कभी घोड़ा, कभी कैवल, कभी you getting it? So we place them in such a way that this role is played by this one, this role is played by this one. There's nothing personal here, no favoritism here. It's plain for the company growth.
Correct.
Okay, they will sit here, they will face this direction, they will have this signature, they will have this name, they will have this calculation, they should have their emails. जैसे 60% of business comes from mobile number.
It
तो उनका
does.
मोबाइल नंबर बहुत सही होना चाहिए. 25% comes from email ID. So we calculate everything. कोई गुंजाइश नहीं होती failure की, in short.
Yeah, true.
Unless you are lazy, you're sitting on your desk and sleeping,
True.
then don't expect miracles.
Absolutely.
And that way. So we work on the team chapter. I will have everybody's names, date of birth. Why go far? We do this for movies.
Wow.
We do this now. Such a big drama is happening for Dawn 3. I was part of it. The logo is coming from my office.
Wow.
So we work with movies, we work with Bollywood artists, we work with so many date of release, date of launch, कौन सा star cast है, किसका match है, किसका combination. The movie rides on the hero's shoulders.
Wow.
उसका समय सही है कि नहीं है. We study that.
So even celebrities
Of
and
course,
all, they
of
are
course.
very
I-
much.
we are sitting in Mumbai. तो Bollywood तो is close to the heart, of course, 100%.
No, people say no कि नहीं यार celebrities को क्या ही ये सब में believe होगा. But I have observed that even you check the name of Ritesh Deshmukh. He also changed the name and then all of a sudden his
Huge,
career
yeah.
became huge. So a lot of people have
Lot of
actually
people.
changed.
We
their
also
name.
get a lot of people.
Mhm.
They come to office also. They call us to their private zones. But yes, definitely. They movie names. We do a lot of movie names. We do launches. We do OTT channel पे कितने आते हैं? Yes, 100%.
So I guess this whole thing is very
It's
magical.
a very popular science.
It is popular.
Yeah.
It is very powerful, I believe.
It is.
Because we also deal with a lot of startups. We also
Okay.
deal with a lot of people.
Mhm.
Apart from this, we are also into other verticals where marketing, branding, we help startups to scale. So I guess having everything at place can definitely lead you to your path.
Actually, yes.
So Binduji, you have already worked with a lot of people. You have already helped people reach their own destiny. You know, they have become successful and capable enough. Maybe more than 6 lakh people already. So what is your vision going forward?
So I have a very clear vision what I really want to do. Just like how you have medical sciences, where you have your MBBS and then your MD, I want to have this Mind Sciences Academy, whereby everybody will come and study the 21 occult sciences for the first 3 years. So there are 21 occult sciences, जिसमें numerology, vastu, signature, palmistry, yoga, Vedic sciences में बहुत ऐसे 21 sciences हैं. So for the first 3 years, they will study all the sciences and then they major in one science. So I want to do an academy whereby a proper, you have a proper register. I have my syllabus is ready. And through you, Nirali, if this podcast, if it reaches out to the right person, I definitely want to do this because Bharat actually ये sciences के माना जाता है.
Absolutely.
And
It's
this
built
is where
in
the
India.
international and the world over looks at us
I
for
agree.
peace, for
agree.
yoga, for harmony. है ना?
Yeah.
They come to us and that's what we can do.
I'm sure this reaches to the right person, whoever you want them to see this. But yes, I feel the energy. I feel that this will happen very soon.
Great. I just pray and wish because I want to do this academy and definitely want to host it. I have the best teachers available. I have my full syllabus available. I have everything there, but you need government support and help for this. That's
yes.
it.
And I guess people will look up to this and government, I guess it has been changed, right? After BJP and after
Yes,
Modi ji
absolutely.
coming in, they're ready to accept things that can help people
Understood.
or which can bring a change, which can create Bharat for who Bharat is.
Absolutely.
And I guess this is one of the best thing. Your intent, like, when you signed an appeal for Bharat also, your intent was very clear, right? And I'm sure with the same intent, when you deep dive and start with your
God
journey,
bless.
you are going to be very successful. So thank you so much. We had amazing conversation. But before we sign off for today, I really want you to share 3 tips where anyone and everyone who is watching this entire episode can get, some sort of relaxation or maybe a benefit out of it.
So I would always tell them that do combination of numerology, vastu and signature. Numerology में अपना गणित करवाओ. That is your company name, your personal name, your numerological date of birth से calculation, so that you get your right signs, your right numbers, your right GPS. वास्तु को हम लोग हमेशा important इसलिए देते हैं because the energy is very important in your workplace.
Yeah.
At home you need tortoise energy, at office you need horsepower energy. तो जरूर वास्तु घर का या ऑफिस का करना चाहिए so that you are at a good space. And the third is signature. Signature is destiny on paper. The way you sign is the way you create your own destiny. And very few people know that minor corrections in signature make major changes in life.
Yeah.
तो आपका signature going upward is progress, underline is support.
Yeah.
The last alphabet is finance. First name is yourself. तो ये 4-5 चीजें हम अगर ध्यान रखते ना, I think you should do well in life. Because everybody wants to be prosperous. Everybody wants to be successful, prosperous, rich, whatever words you want to use.
Everybody want to be rich.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not only, see, for me, I don't only want to be rich, but I want to be more helpful to people in a way where, you know, with legacy, I have done something for people as well.
True.
That is what I'm looking out for. So we are heading towards last segment of our show, that is
Ji.
rapid fire round.
Ji. Okay.
Whatever questions I'm going to ask you, you need to answer in one word.
Okay.
The luckiest number in the universe.
6. Venus number.
Yes. One number every Indian entrepreneur must know.
3. Indian is 3. 3 is Om, 3 is Ekunkar, 3 is Brahma Vishnu Mahesh, 3 is past, present, future, 3 is Trishul, 3 is Tisriyak. Even 786 is 3. Jupiter, the largest planet, and हिंदी में उसको गुरु बोलते हैं, जिसमें हम लोग इंडियंस बहुत मानते हैं. So 3.
True. Lovely. Numerology or Vastu, if you could only keep one.
They are my 2 eyes, yeah. I can't say right eye or left eye, but yes, if you're asking me, I love my numbers. So numerology.
Yeah. The most dangerous direction for a main door.
Southwest.
Yeah. One color that almost always blocks wealth energy.
Black. Shani.
Yeah. A celebrity whose name change you wish you had advised.
Oh, 100% Ranveer Singh. 100%, yes.
Bharat or India in numbers, which vibrates higher? I guess we did it.
Bharat.
Yeah. One thing every new parent must check before naming their baby.
They must give a meaningful and a well calculated name to the baby. ये power उनके हाथ में होता है, so they must use it.
Yeah. The number that describes your own life journey.
5. And I can say 5.
My son's number is 5.
I want to say 5 is Panch Tattva, 5 fingers, 5 senses. And 5 number is a mediator, arbitrator, connector, co-creator, and a networker, which actually denotes me.
I am a lived example.
Great.
Destiny in one word.
Destiny is faith. अगर आपकी faith है, तो आप पार हो जाओगे. अगर आप नहीं मानते किसी चीज में,
Yeah.
you will not come.
You need to have faith. Without belief, there is
Faith in God,
no result.
which is the number 1. Faith in ourselves.
Yeah.
Faith in our work. Faith in our science. Faith in our talent.
Yeah.
You know, and faith in our relations. Faith in our love. Matlab, faith is the right word, I would say, next to
Rightly
destiny.
very rightly said. I had this question in my mind because most of them they tell whoever I'm connected with spiritually. They say this number 24 is a universal number. How real is that?
24 number is a number of finance, wealth, prosperity, and attraction of wealth. Some people write it on their,
Yeah.
okay? Some people write it behind the seat. They write it on their chair. Yes, this 24 is a numerological brilliant number.
Okay.
You can also write 33. You can also write 42. You can write 51 or 6 also, 15 also. The total of 6. जो आपने बोला था ना?
Correct.
The question that you asked me is a number of Shukra.
Yeah.
Venus.
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Thank you so much, man. With this, there is something which comes in my mind right now. What is the significance of, giving a card?
So visiting card visits. It speaks for you. It denotes you, who you are, how to contact you. What is your profile? What is your address? है ना? जैसे हम बोलते हैं business card should bring business.
Yeah.
तो जो आपका कार्ड देखे वो आपके साथ कनेक्ट हो. Correct?
True.
लोगों का काम है कहना, the logo speaks.
Yes.
इस पे there are 3 sciences. One science is numerology. Everything is calculated. Name, company name, email, mobile, landline. लेफ्ट साइड, सब कुछ गणित में है.
करेक्ट.
सेकेंड इज द प्लेसमेंट्स, जो है वास्तु. सेंटर आपका खाली होना चाहिए. एंड पीपल राइट द नेम इन द सेंटेंस. सेंटर, जो लोग अपना नाम सेंटर में लिखते हैं, ऑब्वियसली दे वर्किंग अंडर स्ट्रेस, टेंशन एंड डेडलाइंस.
I have seen maximum card
It's
where
in the
their
name.
logos and their names are
the
in center.
So we have to tell them center को vacant रखते हैं. And third is the golden or the color palette. मतलब आपका कलर्स क्या है, आपके लकी कलर्स आपके विजिटिंग कार्ड पे होने चाहिए. 10 sciences and numerology, vastu and colors.
Wow, that's amazing. And I believe your core colors are gold and white.
Yes. Or I'm wearing also, and what is in my
Yes.
card too. True.
That's amazing. I have not made my card yet. You will not believe.
Okay, we'll make it for you.
I've been a lot many times to my designer and a printer. But somehow I have not. I don't know why. Otherwise, I am a person जो सबसे पहले एक visiting card बनाती है. So thank you so much, Binduji, once again. This entire conversation was so real, so raw, and it was so powerful. Like, after this, my entire belief toward numerology and Vastu has changed. And this combination, which you have given a lot of examples with your experiences, itself has created a lot of magic. So thank you so much once again. And to all the viewers, guys, do watch this entire episode, because you're not only going to learn everything about numbers and Vastu, but you are going to understand that why this combination can do wonders in your life. And if you want any kind of suggestion or consultation, you know whom you need to approach, Dr. Binduji Khurana. And thank you so much to all the viewers for hearing me out. This is Nirali Pandya signing off for today. Ek Soch, one idea that changed your life.